Aloha! Before we start, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to have some fun. Yay! Oh! Wow! Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Zino Pro Plus unboxing. Action. Hi guys! Welcome back our L3 Toy channel. Today we will unboxing the Hubsan Zino Pro Plus. This is the upgraded version, the Hubsan Zino Pro Plus. It is made from the Hubsan brand. Hubsan Zino Pro Plus, it is 3-axis gimbal and it can be captured 4K resolution with 30 FPS. It is the GPS drone and also have the intelligent flight mode like orbit mode, active tracking and more. The maximum flight time is already upgraded from 23 minutes to 43 minutes. The image transmission system now is used seamless and the maximum distance now can be reached to 8 km. So what in the box? This is the portable combo. So let's unboxing. Okay, we got a drone, bag, remote control, 2 intelligent flight batteries, 2 spare propellers, the power adapter, balance charger, car charger, and 3 OTG cable with micro USB, Type-C and lightning cable, and the cable for charging remote control, and the last is manual book. For the upgraded version, the battery it is the intelligent flight battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh, and this battery can be used as power bank with the power adapter. For charging, it can be support with 3 batteries charged at the same time. And Zino Pro Plus, it only can be used on this Zino Pro Plus battery. It cannot be used the previous model Zino and Zino Pro battery because it will be burn the motherboard. We got the previous model, Hubsan Zino Pro, and the new version Zino Pro Plus. So the design and the body size is all are same. The only difference is the top cover. The test on the top cover Zino Pro Plus. For the previous, this is only the Zino Pro. And the battery, they are different. Okay, so now let's fly the Hubsan Zino Pro Plus. Let's go! Okay, cut. 你们决定就好了，干嘛一定要我嘞？你们做决定就可以了吗？妈的！